GeoByte.
Welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss the answers for previous questions which were given in different competitive exams. Since all these problems are equally important, my request is you please watch till the last question. All these questions I collected for the topic of rivers, lakes of India. Let us take the very first question. Look at the very first question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. The Musi and Bhima are tributaries of the river. Option A Mahanadi, option B Krishna, option C Kaveri, option D Brahmaputra. The correct answer is option B Krishna. Let us take the second question. Look at the second question asked for UPPSC exam in the year 2019 like this. In which of the following rivers the upper course contains fresh water but saline water flowing at the lowest part? Option A Barak River, option B Luni River, option C Ghagra River, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B Luni River. Let us move to the next question. Look at the third question asked in the year 2019 for UPPSC exam like this. Moribund Delta is a subdivision of which of the following delta? Option A Krishna Godavari Delta, option B Mahanadi Delta, option C Bengal Delta, option D Kaveri Delta. The correct answer is option C Bengal Delta. Let us move to the next question. Look at the fourth question asked for UPPSC exam in the year 2019 like this. Which of the following rivers is famous for its fault valley drainage? Option A Chambal, option B Damodar, option C Gandak, option D Ramaganga. The correct answer is option B Damodar. Let us move to the next question. Look at the fifth question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. Which among the following is the confluence of Alakananda and Mandakini? Option A Vishnu Prayag, option B Nand Prayag, option C Rudra Prayag, option D Dev Prayag. The correct answer is option C Rudra Prayag. Let us move to the next question. Look at the sixth question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. Majuli, the largest river island in the world, is located in option A Arunachal Pradesh, option B Assam, Option C, Nagaland. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Assam. Let us take the next question. Look at the seventh question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. Which of the following is the third highest waterfall in India? Option A, Thalayar Falls. Option B, Koutlam Falls. Option C, Suruli Falls. Option D, Agaya Gangai. The correct answer is option A, Thalayar Falls. Let us move to the next question. Look at the eighth question, also asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. Which of the following is called the Grand Canyon of India? Option A, Gangani Grand Canyon. Option B, Lightlam Canyon. Option C, Chambal River Canyon. Option D, Great Canyon of Gandikota. The correct answer is option D, Great Canyon of Gandikota. Let us move to the ninth question. Look at the ninth question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. Which of the following is the longest rivers in India? Option A, Kaveri. Option B, Godavari. Option C, Brahmaputra. Option D, Ganga. The correct answer is option C, Brahmaputra. Let us move to the 10th question. Look at the 10th question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. The river Ganga emerges from Gangotri Glacier and ends at option A, Bay of Bengal. Option B, Arabian Sea. Option C, Indian Ocean. Option D, Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is option A, Bay of Bengal. Let us move to the next question. Look at the 11th question asked in the year 2019 for SSC exam like this. Which of the following Indian islands lies on the Bay of Bengal? Option A, Andaman and Nicobar. Option B, Lakshadweep. Option C, Diu. Option D, Daman. The correct answer is option A, Andaman and Nicobar. Let us move to the 12th question. Look at the 12th question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019 like this. The Indus Water Treaty was signed between India and option A, China. Option B, Bangladesh. Option C, Pakistan. Option D, Afghanistan. The correct answer is option C, Pakistan. The next question is, look at the question number 13 asked for RRB exam in the year 2019 like this. Which is the oldest dam in India? Option A, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Option B, Vaigai Dam. Option C, Indira Sagar Dam. Option D, Grand Anicut. The correct answer is option D, Grand Anicut. Let us move to the next question. Look at the 14th question, asked in the year 2019 for RRB exam, like this. Which of the following is not true about Indian rivers? Option A, Himalayan rivers are perennials. Option B, peninsular rivers are seasonal. Option C, Himalayan rivers from very small deltas. Option D, the volume of water in peninsular rivers is less. The correct answer is Himalayan rivers from very small deltas. Option C is not true statements. Let us move to the last question. Look at the last question asked for SSC exam in the year 2019, like this. Which river has tributaries by the name of Dree, Mathun, Telan, Eme, Ehi, Emra, and Ava? Option A, Debang. Option B, Godavari. Option C, Kaveri. Option D, Lohit. The correct answer is option A, Debang. With this, my dear friends, I am concluding this video. In the next video, we will discuss answers for some more important questions which were given in different competitive exams. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.